Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Ben Beecher. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our page to stay current with all of our newest inventory. Today we'll be taking you through the used 2008 Formula 400 SS. As you can see, this boat has a windlass anchor in the front, beautiful silver paint with the black stripe accent. Everything appears to be in great shape. This boat has been lift kept its entire life here on Lake of the Ozarks. As we get to the back of the boat, see one of the most important selling features of this boat, the extended factory swim platform. This was an add-on at the factory. Keep the drives back underneath the boat and keep your people swimming off the back away from the drives. You see a ladder right there in the center. Also, you have great transom storage in the back and added on Fusion speakers for anybody out in the water wanting to listen to some music. As we come into the cockpit of the boat, you can see we have great cockpit seating, plenty of passengers in this cockpit. And over on this side we have a wet bar, storage, trash can. Underneath here we have an upgraded stainless steel refrigerator, and your storage and battery switches are going to be underneath here. All the seats are in great shape with a lot of speakers added into this boat and plenty of storage underneath all of them. Also, you'll notice this boat has a rear Bimini. It also has a forward Bimini option that has all the enclosures that go with it. See, we have a chase seat over here with more storage underneath and bolster captain seating. Another great feature on this boat, this one does have a bow thruster. It is powered by the Mercury 8.1 liter HO mags, so 4¼ horse on each engine, with just under 500 hours on each engine and 932 on the generator. You also notice this boat is a walk-through windshield, making it easy to get up to the front, get your lines out. We walk down into the cabin here. See, we have great seating around the front of the boat. You can also make this into a bed. There's also a table that goes in there as well. You have a flat screen TV, and behind there's your control panels. This is your rear berth back here. And a nice usable size head. For on the port side, we're going to have the galley, your microwave, and refrigerator. The freezer up on top. Upgraded Fusion sounds all the way through, Fusion head unit zoned with speakers up on the arch and the transom of the boat and throughout the cockpit. Once again, my name is Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. If you have any questions, we're open 24/7 on the web. Call us anytime, 573-606-3027. Thanks, have a great day.